Hello everyone, I am Akhil. Welcomes you all to my YouTube channel. So as in the last video we saw, we have added like one activity, registration activity, register activity, and then user register itself himself, and after the registration we are navigating him to the login screen. So basically we are showing one toast that you have been navigated to the login screen. So in this video, in the existing application, we'll be adding the butter knife. Okay, so you all are must be aware of the butter knife, what it is. So basically butter knife is used for finding the references out of the layout and assigns it to the variable. Okay, so how we are going to use that, I'll show you right now. So we'll go to the registration activity, and so you might be aware that we have written here something. Sorry, my mistake. So we it was like edit text and find view by id, y.id dot did. So and then button register. No need of that. Button register. Okay, so basically we'll be using we want to replace these two lines with the butter knife annotations. So how we are going to use that is, we'll go, and this is what the butter knife is. I just searched and I want to see the butter knife dependency, and these are the butter knife Gradle dependencies. I'll copy paste these butter knife dependencies in my Gradle file here. So it says insert latest version. Okay, so it says here itself, it says that available is 10.1.0. so I'll be 10.1.0 here, also 10.1.0. sorry, my bad. Okay, so I'll sync the Gradle. Okay, and Gradle is okay. So it seems to be some Android X error that after the integration, like you might be aware that now Android X came into the picture. So whatever the earlier support dependencies was there, it has been all the dependencies has been added in Android X. So we'll do one thing. uh, we'll, instead of using the 10.0, we'll be using the 9.0.0 just to avoid this. Okay, so if you are using Android X, I'll, like, you should prefer 9 10.1.0 0.0 hyphen rc2. Okay, I'll sync it, and ideally it should go. Okay, so we'll go to my ratio activity, and here, so I'll use the annotation that is bind view, and edit username, and here also bind view r.id.button. So in this way, we have, using an annotation, we have added a reference of the layout to our variable. We have given the layout reference to our variable. So no use of these two lines. Yes, you need to add this line, that is butterknife.bind, and okay, that's it. Also, you can see here that we have deleted this button.register.set on click listener. Instead of that, we have added this on click. Okay, so using this on click annotation also, you can tell this method that this you can tell that on the button click event this method is going to call. That's it. So we'll run this application, and we'll see whether the application is running as it was running earlier, like it, whether it runs successfully or not. Okay, yeah, it ran. So I says that hello new user, and it says that oops, it crashed cause what is the issue. What is the issue? Button register and button knife. Okay, we'll check out what it says. So if you are facing an issue, you should go to the logcat, and here it will say, okay, the register user on null object reference. Okay, register reference. Okay, so by mistake I have deleted register reference presenter. Okay, so by mistake I deleted this line, so that's why it was giving the null pointer exception. I'll run the application again and we'll check. It takes a little bit time to run the application. Okay, it's running. Hello user registered successfully, navigated to login screen. Okay, that's it guys. I'll be keep posting more videos. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.